Sustainability has been part of Lutze since 2011, when the Skyblue Sustainability Initiative was launched. Lutze's new eco-switches, with intelligent energy management, reduce the amount of energy required for the length of the cable run. In Kit 7, the 8-port unmanaged eco-switch, with quality of service, can transmit up to 100 meters at 1000 megabits per second, Cat.6A, and is supplied with 8 SFTP patch cables, to connect to other devices within your control panel. The kit is completed with a 22mm panel connector to allow access to the network, without having to open the control panel door.